Good morning, traders. It's about 45 seconds to market open, and I'm looking to take a trade. Watching EVK and LIZI. I had KBSF up, but it's not looking good. It's just still there for now. So EVK is up almost 200% in the pre-market. I had a couple of trades on it already. So it's kind of one of those situations where you feel like, am I just getting back in it too much, or is it going to fail? But I think that kind of thinking it doesn't really make sense. You should really just look for patterns. This thing was trading about 5 million shares of volume in the pre-market. Let's see, here we are at open. Let's see what happens. I might take a trade right from this screen. Wow, Lizzie is looking real strong. You got to be careful because whatever screen I click on, that's the one that is going to trigger my hotkeys. This is trading from the watch list screen. Jeez. Whoa, this is crazy. Try to get out some there. That was a little bit of a wild ride for me, that choppiness, so that's why I got rid of so much. Well, not that I had a bunch of shares anyway. I think I only had 3 or 4. Plus, this is my first time actually taking trades from the watch list screen, so there's that element as well. I could average in with just one more share. But I gotta be careful. If it comes back down to my entry, I gotta get out. All right. So I just got out all there. But I still think that averaging in actually did help. But of course, it knocked me out of the trade a little bit sooner. But look what happened. Wow, that's crazy. But it did give me a little bit of profit because, I was able to add one share. So let's see what we got there. EVK. These are crazy, man. This market open stuff is nuts. All right, so let's see. This isn't accurate. This is this DG stock is selling off pretty hard today that I'm holding. So, I mean, it's accurate, but it's not reflective of my day trading. That's what I mean by that. So we got $1.16. That's pretty good because I think that was about a $20 trade. So that's a nice return there. Let's see how much that trade costs us. So I only had 3 shares originally because I'm just trading with 8% of my account. So whatever that buys me, that's what I get. So that was $17.88 plus I bought one more share at $6.33. So that's $24.21. And whoops, I don't want that screen. So we made $1.16 there. So that's like a 4.8% return on investment. So that's pretty good, man. I'll take that any day. And I should be, let's see, what's that, $1.16? I don't have my spreadsheet up, but I think that might put me green for the week finally. I really slopped it up in the beginning of the week here. Let's see. Just trying to do this like the quickest way. I'm gonna put in $1.16 here, and I don't know if I have the formulas in way over here yet. Let's see. What am I down? $1.14? Yeah, so it's not good. I don't think it's going to add it up automatically yet. Oh, no, it did. So I'm 2 cents in the green this week. But you know what? Hey, that's still a great thing because, like I said, I really slopped it up earlier in the week. On Tuesday, I lost $2, which is big for an account this size. I mean, that's almost 1%. It's 0.75%. And then yesterday I started off really bad too. I had 2 really bad trades in the pre-market. With even big, I was actually down even more at the beginning of the day. Yesterday I was down like $2.30, and then finally, took some good trades later in the day and brought that day to green. And now with this green day, which I don't have, did it update the? Yeah, I guess it did. So, yeah, now with this green day, I'm in the green for the week, but I'm at basically break even, of course, but at least I'm wiping out my mess. And let's see what my buying power is now. 270.62. So still not back to where I started here. Okay, so yeah, so I'm trying to figure out like, well then how the heck am I green 2 cents on the week? But I think it's because I'm just adding up these trades because this is where I started with. But I'll have to look at that. Something looks a little bit funny there. But anyway, I'm really basically close to break even right now. May not be quite green yet, but this could be some other error. I don't know. But anyway, so that was a good trade for the market open. $1.16 there for just a couple of minutes of trading. I'm definitely not going to trade anymore until the aftermarket. Even though I still have plenty of settled funds, but that's kind of a home run trade. If my goal is 1% per trade, that's very conservative. But you see a lot of scalpers out there taking 0.25% or 0.33%. Even like and considering those to be good trades, and to me those aren't really good trades because when those go against you, you take huge losses. But so my average goal is 1% per trade. But if I can get 2, 3, 4%, that even better, of course. But I consider that kind of like a home run trade, and I don't really want to give it back. I've done it before, so I'll stop for the day and then I'll check things out later on in the aftermarket and see if there's any good opportunities. EVK was the one to be trading in the aftermarket yesterday. And if you didn't see my video, I did take a trade on it, but it was while I had a meeting going on in the background, so I just was not able to hold on to it. So I only got just a tiny bit of this move here. So anyway, we can actually see how much have I made off of EVK in the last 2 days. It's gonna be most of it was today on this trade, but $1.48 in total. So not too bad, not too shabby. I'll take it. All right, guys, let's all try to stop these dumb trades because that's how we lose money. And if you guys have any questions about this trade or any other or anything about trading with Webull, let me know in the comment section below. I hope you guys are trading well and making money. And if you're not making money, I hope you're trading by your strategy and your plan, and you're losing because the trade just went against you and it was a good trade to take anyway. Because if that's the case, you're still winning. All right, take care.